Alright, what is up everyone? Welcome back to today's video. Today we are back doing some more river fishing, actually canals. I got my bass set up with me. I'm gonna do some peacock bass fishing today. Hopefully it goes well. Maybe I'll find a couple peacocks. We're going to the same canal we went last time. Well, a couple videos back. But that's the last time I came here. So yeah, let's see how we do here and if we can get on some big fish. Alright, we are back here. I've been here before. Only caught a jag, that's all I caught here. I see a mullet right there, but they don't bite on. I'm throwing just a Senko to see if anything bites. Then I'll switch to a spinnerbait, maybe a square bill. I don't know. I'm gonna try new stuff today. I've never tried a Senko in here, so I'm gonna just cast it in there, let it sink, bring it up, let it sink again, and see if we can catch anything. Just mice in here. For sure we're catching fish today, so I got some bread. Catching mice on a bait caster. Yeah. Wow! Woo! Yes! Nah, bro.
¿Te lo aguanto?
Claro.
Dame que aguantarte ahí, bicho.
Hell yeah, man. Yo! Now, for the release of 20 minutes of hard work, around 20 minutes or so.
Chamaco aquí pescando que sacó una tilapia ahora aquí del canal.
Oh, jeez.
Yo no sé de qué dónde está.
Bleeding. Guys, let me take a picture real quick. Guys, it's been a pretty good day so far. That fish you guys saw, it was bleeding a little bit, but it's fine. It's on my way just fine. So yeah, I'll see if I can catch any more peacocks. But for today, I'm pretty happy with how today's going. I've never caught a fish on this side like a peacock. On this side, never, first time. So yeah, I'll see you guys with the next fish. God, that was a snook. That was a snook. Oh my god. Going to the construction site to get to the part of the canal. This, I don't like this. I could get arrested, not arrested, but I definitely could get in trouble for this. I don't want to go through there. I might just have to go through here. That spot back there is pretty nice. So I might have to jump over there. But I'm gonna fish this side. I'll leave that for another video. Alright, I'll be back when I have a fish. Crap, guys, there's a monster alligator right there. He can climb up here and he could probably kill me. So I'm gonna just snap a picture of him real quick. Holy shit, I feel like he's looking at me. Dude, that thing is bigger than me. Oh my god. I'll be putting these pictures up on the screen right now so you guys can see it. Dude, that thing is bigger than me. My God. I'm tripping right now. Let me get a closer picture. How do you think it's going on? Oh my God, dude, that's a giant. Oh my God, I've never seen this before. Like I've seen like gator like close to me, but I've never seen this close to me. Wow, I'm tripping right now. I'll take a really close picture of his head. Oh my God. Bye, Mr. Gator. Bye. Have a great life. Please don't eat anyone, and don't eat my peacocks, because I need to fish. Alright? See you, Gator. Guys, the craziest thing about that gator being there is we're in the middle of a city. So there's houses all around here. So those are all houses back there. So that gator can literally climb out of this, because he can get out from there. He can probably climb that or this if he really wants to. So this is really dangerous. So every time you guys go fishing, make sure to keep your eyes open, like looking for stuff like that. Maybe if I would have stayed like right there right next to that gator, he might have just climbed up this thing and chased me down. He wouldn't have eaten me because I can run, but it's dangerous. So I don't think I'm gonna be doing much fishing for today. I've gone around all this whole canal, just all the way back there. Nothing, just a lot of mines. Saw a jag, he left. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. It was definitely an amazing day. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.